Hello friends, this is RK from RK Share Market and Investments. It's a short video on Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Today my recommendations got failed because it was a kind of very good gap up opening and my levels were not got executed, and it's a kind of little disappointing day for me. And how it is going to be tomorrow, all these things are discussed in this short video. This video is created for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investment. Let us go to the chart of Nifty. So Nifty on a 5 minutes candle, hope you all being addressed today. It was a kind of very good gap up opening and went all the way up to this 9,900 level, and it got rejected over there, and then it started falling down. And after this European market opening, like after 130, it started falling down. And what is it indicates? The global markets are not yet kind of on the positive trend. So that is what one of the indication is. And how it is on a daily candlestick. Daily on a daily candlestick, you can see the same kind of the happenings happened during this kind of April end, and it just happened on the May end also. It's a kind of the same repetition. So it just closed on the same 9,500 to 9,550 zone, and then opened a gap up, and then it closed almost at the same point 9,850 or 9,860 range, and then it went down. And can we expect the same tomorrow as well? It's a kind of very tricky, and there is no much answer because the last 2 days movement were only due to some of the hypes and the expectations which is going on around the news that there may be a change in FM. I hope that is the only reason for this 2 days. Otherwise it may be a profit booking during this monthly expiry. But these 2 days after the expiry session, the 2 days gap up opening may be due to these reasons, because Bank Nifty was performing tremendously compared to this other sectorial indexes, so which may be one of the main reason. And so we can expect some kind of drop, but how we can capitalize this? Because on the downside you can see this 12 lakh open interest might act as a major support if it drops below 9,800 levels. So this level will be a kind of major support zone. If it breaks 9,800, we can expect 9,700 levels or 9,600 levels, but Nifty has to break 9,800 levels. On the upside, 9,900 is a major resistance. And coming to the Bank Nifty on a 5 minutes chart, it gave a couple of trading sessions here. Like after this, it got a kind of very good rejection after this point, and then it went down all the way. So here was one trade which was very much visible throughout the day. Otherwise it was a kind of flat ever since, like morning from 9:30 to almost up to 1:30. It was a kind of consolidation mode, and then it just dropped. And on a daily candlestick, what view we can expect? It is a little different, because on that same April end period it was at a kind of 22,000 level, whereas today it is at 20,000 level. So it is little underperforming, but you can see the gap up is very much high when compared to the Nifty. So that is one of the major thing, but it is almost in the kind of same rejection zone as this candle. So it is also suggesting some kind of negativity in the market. Maybe it can go and try to touch this 20,000 mark, and it might return. If you go to the option chain data, the 20,000 is having a major resistance with around 6 lakh open interest, which will try to push this Bank Nifty down, which is one of the kind of major factor. So tomorrow it is going to be like a very tricky day, and SGX is also currently it is flat. There is no much of kind of positive trend so far. So what can we expect tomorrow? So this is today's performance. Today's performance is not executed, so there is no much happening for on the yesterday's recommendations which I made for today. And for tomorrow, sorry for the date, just change this one to 26. And for tomorrow's recommendation, I would go, if it trades above 9,850 or 9,900 mark, go ahead with call option of 9,800. So which will be like, you can expect above 9,900 mark, you can expect at least it will go up to 10,000 before it retraces back. So that is one of the expectation. If market is little positive, not little positive, if it is tremendously positive, and if it trades only above 9,900, go for a call option. Otherwise, if it is going below 9800. If it trades below 9800, go for 9800 put option. So the suggestion is very clear. If the market is too positive, if it is opening 75 points up, and if it trades above 9900, go ahead with 9800 call option and 9900 call option. Otherwise, if it trades below 9800, go ahead with 9800 put option. The same thing for Bank Nifty also. If it trades with around 100 points plus, and if it is trading very much above 20,000 level, go ahead with 20,000 call option for another 100 points or 200 points. It might go up to that same 20,200 mark, and where after which it might retrace us back. Whereas if it falls below 19,900 mark, you can straight away go ahead for 19,900 put option or 20,000 put option. So the suggestions are very clear. Let me conclude. On Nifty, if it trades above 9,900 mark, which is 75 points up on the positive side, you can choose 9800 call option or 9900 call option, where you can gain some 50 to 100 points momentum up to 10,000 mark. And if it trades below 9800, by just dropping another 26 points, you can go ahead with 9800 put option. And for Bank Nifty, if it trades above 20,000 mark, you can choose 20,000 call option. Whereas if it drops below 19,900 mark, don't hesitate, you can go ahead with 20,000 put option. So the recommendations are very clear. Hopefully you will have a very beautiful and a profitable day tomorrow. And this week we have gladly started this TLP program, and today was the first session. It was going very much through, and if you are interested, you can join for the next upcoming TLP, which is Trade Like a Pro, where you can do all this kind of stock analysis, kind of critical analysis using simplest technical tools, and also you can become kind of professional trader, and you can easily make around 5 to 10k easily on a daily basis. So that is what the guarantee from my side is. All the very best, and have a beautiful day ahead. Thanks very much.